How to delete all watch later videos from YouTube. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. Launch your YouTube application and get logged into your specific YouTube account. Now, in order to first view your watch later, tap on the U section from your bottom right. Under Playlists, you will see Watch Later option. Tap onto it. Then at this page, you will see all the videos that you have added to Watch Later list. If you like to do that for a particular video, then tap on the three-dot icon, then tap on Remove from Watch Later. Tap on Remove. And just like so, you have to do the same for each videos. Tap on the three-dot icon, tap on Remove from Watch Later, come back to your page, refresh it. Just like so, this is how you can do the same as well. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe.